Hi everyone, back again this week with another video, something pretty different from last time. If you watched my last video, we did some cloud watching. We talked about nephology, the study of clouds. So this week I figured we'd do something a little more tactile, working with your hands, right? Something that I did a lot when I was a kid, had done for me. We're going to make towel animals, and I had a lot of fun doing this when I was younger. I thought it was a fun activity to do. Catch my breath for a second. Just ran up the stairs. So we're going to make two today. Now I have this smaller hand towel laid out. This is bigger than a washcloth, but smaller than bath towels. So we're going to get to them later, but right now we're going to focus on this one right here, and I'll try my best to show you guys on my phone what we're trying to do here. So we're going to start off by making a crab. Now this one's really simple. Even I can do it. So we're going to fold, first we're going to fold our towel into thirds. And we're going to leave a little bit in the middle unfolded, like that. Right? There's a big divide there, little divide. Next step is we're going to take the front here, end closest towards you. We're going to fold it up. Just like this. And you fold it up about halfway, I've found, since I started trying this. Now I'm going to put my phone down, and I'm going to try and angle it so you guys can see what I'm going to be doing. Perfect. Now, what you're going to want to do next is you're going to want to reach your hands in here and try and find the middle of the towel roll. And you're going to just tear it out, like that. Just pull it out. Right, just kind of wiggle it out. And you're going to want to do this on both sides. It's a little difficult. You're going to have to probably press down on the top here to get the towel roll to stay in place. And once you have things all the way out, or as far as they can go, what you're going to want to do is just kind of bring them to the front. Like kind of bend in the roll here. And then you're going to take the back, fold it over once, and then fold it over again. Press it down a little, and that is your shell. And now you have, pick up my phone again, little tiny crab. These are its claws, here's its shell. If you have googly eyes or anything to make eyes, you can put those on top. I happen to have some old Lego parts here that I can use to make my kind of large, goofy looking eyes. So that's the crab. I like it. I think it's kind of cute. But we have something much more advanced right over here, and it's not the large box of Lego pieces you see right over there. So I'm going to set this up real quick. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to unfold your really large bath towel. And these are full-size bath towels, as you can see. And you're going to want to fold it out all the way. And you'll probably see me moving across the carpet a lot, because these are pretty big towels. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flatten them out, like I did. So, start with one of them. We're just starting with this right here. And we're going to take this end first, and we're going to fold it kind of like a triangle all the way down to the middle. Just like that. Actually, I folded a little bit too far. Don't fold it down to the bottom. Fold it till it's about there. See that? Here's the edge of the towel. Here's the fold. And we're going to want to do the exact same thing right here on the other side. Try and keep them nice and even. I know it's a little difficult. I'm having some difficulties right now. Okay. Now that that's done, this is what we have. Alright? And now we're going to take these flaps and we're going to fold them in like this. And you want to fold them pretty far in because you're going to press them together when they're both folded up. Move it over here so you guys can see. We're folding up this side now, kind of angling it so it's still kind of out. And then once you have your rolls here, let me roll this one up a little bit more, you're going to want to press them together. You guys tell what this is yet? I made sure not to tell you. This one's a surprise. But anyway, this towel right now is done for. We're done with it. So we're going to put it to the side. Kind of looks like a snake, doesn't it? But it is not a snake. And we have our second towel right here. Now mine's the same color, but if you want to get creative, you can use different colors. We really only have 2 or 3 colors of towel in my house, and those are this sort of greeny bluey color here, aquamarine, dark blue, and white. So we don't have very many fancy creative colors. Now what you're going to want to do with this one is much simpler. You're going to take it, you're going to fold it in half, kind of waddle forward, fold it in half, tighten it up, and now all we're going to do, let's see, yep, now all we're going to do is just roll it. It's going to look like a big cinnamon bun when it's done. Oh yeah, I feel like I should have folded this in half again, so we're going to quickly undo my roll here. And we're actually going to fold it in half again. Because I think I missed a step, but that's fine, because nobody's perfect. You can easily correct mistakes. Especially ones like this, where you're just folding a towel. Yeah, this is much better. So now we have a much tighter roll than we had before. So I'm just going to pick my phone up again. Here's our other roll. As you can see, it's kind of tight in there. We're just going to put it right there. And what we're going to do now, if you can see this thing starting to take shape, is, oh goodness, I need something to prop my phone up on. We're going to take what we have here, and these should be pretty tight. We're going to bend them up like this, and we're going to bend it over like that. If I can get this to fold up like I want it to. I don't know if I can, but I'm going to hold it up. If you have rubber bands, I might say to use rubber bands to get this to work right. And you can't see quite what I'm doing right now, so I'm going to angle it. We're tucking up the ends here. Into the large ends of our towel roll, and it's a little rough, but we have before us, as I hold this up, because this towel will not stay up for me, it's a bit of a scoundrel, we have our snail. That's right, it's a towel snail. A little, what we'd call rough shod, meaning it's a little loose, it's a little rough, it's not perfect, but that's fine. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Our nice lime, not really lime green, but like, you know, aqua green snail here. And now I got all these designs from a website called MakeTowelAnimals.com. He let his head down to rest, he's tired. And I think it's a really good resource. There's, you know, step-by-step picture instructions for the snail, crab. There are a bunch of other things on there that you can make that I didn't make here that I thought were really neat. So go check out that website, guys, if you can. I think it's really great. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have fun making these if you have towels on hand. Now, before I go, I don't think you necessarily need towels to make these. I think you could probably manage with something like paper towels, smaller towels than this if you don't really have major access to bath towels. They're all in use. I think you can use hand towels for all of these. I don't know if you could use washcloths. You could use blankets, right? You could use anything that's really made of fabric. So yeah, go nuts. Have fun with these. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys did too. Thank you.